killed things from other worlds before.
Is she with you?
I thought she was with you.
Welcome back everybody to another video. You have clicked on Gotham Cenobites. I'm Terry, and today we're going to review, unbox, discuss the Wonder Woman 1984 Hot Toys. And I hope you enjoyed the little video I made. The Bill and Ted thing I saw years ago, and it made me laugh, so I had to go and find it for this video. And then I know she's from Wonder Woman 84, but I don't really care for that movie, so I just threw in a couple of scenes I really liked, and her just kicking ass in her solo movie, and then the iconic Trinity scene, which is perfect, from BVS. So just wanted to include a couple scenes of her that I really loved, and then of course that Bill and Ted thing, it just it just cracks me up. So yeah, that's without further ado, I did order this figure just under a month ago, but it was right on time, so it's not like I got it early or anything. I just got lucky. I ordered it right at the nick of time, and paid it off. Then I got the shipping notice about a week ago, and now here she is. And just want to disclaimer: the base, the sword, the shield, a lot of stuff that's on her right now is not a part of this figure. You'll see the base that comes with it. You'll see that I used the sword and the shield from my Justice League Wonder Woman. So this is just how she's going to be in my collection. Just want to put that out there. This base, this sword, the shield does not come with the Wonder Woman 84 Hot Toys. So with that out of the way, let's get into the spin around shots, and then we're going to get right into the unboxing footage, and then just some videos of her, and then close-ups, and then I will meet you back here to wrap up. So I'll see you soon. Okay, so here she is in all her glory. Much better than her Justice League version. Yep, that's a big upgrade. And it looks far different in person than it is showing up on camera. But yeah, that base I'm never going to use. It's going to stay in the box. I'm going to put her on this one and just flat out replace this one. So she's going to go in the box. And so this is all it came with. As you saw in the video, 8 different hands, 4 for each side. Your standard pegs. This thing is pretty cool. It's all metal wire, but I probably won't ever use this. Another regular lasso. I'm still not sure what exactly this thing is. But one cool thing to point out that I still probably won't use is these things are magnets, and it's pretty cool. They just stick. So that's pretty cool for those people who are posers. I'm not, so I'm just going to go back into the storage. But so yeah, this is just a brief kind of show you the differences. And the hair is just night and day. I hate rooted hair, so this one was a no-brainer for me. What I probably will do is take this leather thing, put it on her, the whole shield and sword I will probably also put on her before I put her over there. Oh, you're not going to stand up for me now. Okay, so yeah, so that's what I'm going to do, and we'll see what that looks like right now. Alrighty, so there she is, all set up on the base she's going to go with, and this is my best. I mean, I couldn't get the faux leather from the old one to actually work on her because of the hair in the back, number one, and then the faux leather, it didn't even hold up. I mean, I don't know if it's going to show on camera, but it's just, yeah, it's breaking down. And it actually broke. So yeah, this is probably gonna go back in the box. It's worthless. But so yeah, just some more comparisons. The head, the hair, far superior. The suit, to me, I mean, I don't know. It's not really that significant enough of a difference for what I'm going to be doing, but you can kind of see the red is more vibrant, the blue is more vibrant. It was a much more colorful movie, Wonder Woman 1984, but I only need one of them down there, and I think she is a fantastic upgrade for sure. And I can't get her to have the sword and shield on her back, but I think this look will still do nicely. So get some close-ups. Alrighty, so I didn't want to do this review of this new figure without at least showing you this base. And I'm definitely not going to use it. I'm not a fan of the waist grabber, so I mean I'm just not going to use it. Plus, where I'm going to have her down there, it's going to look more uniform with this right here. So just want to show you her one more time. Show you that I'm not using. I'm not even going to take the plastic off of it. It's going to go into the storage bin. But I started filming this last night, and now I'm filming the rest of it Friday. So I was playing around with the other one last night, and I got her over here with the Merciless. So I was just playing around. But yeah, if you know his story, you'll know he's in love with Diana. So I just thought it was funny. Set her over here on his lap for now. So yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna box her up, but that's gonna be her home for a little bit. I'm gonna get her set up now down there where she's gonna go, and I'll film the final little video for you guys. So yeah, here we go. Briefly, this is my new Snyder Shrine. How it's going to look until Cyborg gets here. I really like the look of it now. I mean, she kind of matches her pop, the sword, and the shield. Really fantastic look. I love it. That's where she's going to be. So yep, you guys let me know in the comments, what do you think? And we'll get to wrapping this video up right now. Alright everybody, so that is going to wrap up this unboxing and review for the Wonder Woman 84 Hot Toys. And as you saw, I know she's right here, but by the time I put this together, she'll be back in her place. And I would have included the video of where she's going to be in the collection. And you'll see, I really didn't buy her with any intent on displaying two of them. She's just going to go on that Justice League base in my Justice League setup. For me, it's a no-brainer. You just have to see it in person to really see that, at least in my opinion, the silicone on this one is a little better. The hair, his head and shoulders, way better. Again, I know I'm probably biased. I prefer sculpted hair. So, I mean, she does that for me. I think the suit looks better in this one. And what else was I gonna say? I mean, you saw, I mean, it's just disappointing, too, that the faux leather, I didn't even realize had broken down that much until I tried to swap it. But yeah, I mean, that's the only really downside about this figure, is that the hair prevented me from really achieving the look with it. But that's really not a down for this figure. It does what it's intended to. The only downside, again, is trying to use something from another figure on this one, so I can't really have it knock on this figure. But all in all, I'm really happy with it. The little wire thing that comes with it is pretty cool, but it's already packed away. I'll probably never use anything that came with her, really. The lasso on this one is the new lasso, and that's it. Everything else on it is coming from the other one, besides her, of course. But if I had to grade it, I probably would give her 8 out of 10. I mean, I'm 8.5. It's a really good figure. If you have the Justice League or any of the rooted hair versions, I mean, she is way better. Justin's collection also reviewed her, and he actually, put this head on a bunch of other ones. I mean, if you wanted to do what I had intended to do initially and just get this head later, way on down in the aftermarket, I mean, the head is worth it. I mean, that's all I got. Still had to display this one. She's still on the Merciless. Yeah, that would have sufficed for me. But I also had some rewards left, so I figured why not just buy the whole figure. But yeah, that's really all I have to say about it. I mean, I know in another video I did say that I had a Captain Marvel Hot Toys, and then this Wonder Woman is going to go to my daughter. My daughter is 1, so they're going to go in the closet, and when she's probably 10 years old, then she's going to get these 2. So I'll be curious to know just how much more they're going to break down in the box in the next 8 to 9 years. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. That is going to wrap up today's video. If you liked it, consider hitting the like button. If you enjoy the content, consider subscribing. And then, yeah, I'm going to put all my social medias up here. I really hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I thank you so much for getting this far. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I will catch you on the next one. Peace.